Hey geeks, so let's talk about getting interesting shots while you are vlogging or you're outdoors, out and about. Now there's many ways in which you could do this, but with normal cameras you're kind of like limited to how far you could get these shots, but there is an easy way that you could actually get way different shots at angles that you probably didn't think you would be able to do. So let me show you how I do that. So that's my normal vlogging shot, but now I'm out a lot further, as you can see, and I could be higher as well, getting a semi-aerial shot, which is something that I would not be able to do with a normal camera setup, even with a tripod. But in this case, I am using a tripod slash selfie stick, and I'm using the selfie stick part of this tripod, and that is with the Ulanzi MT79. This is one of the easiest ways to actually get more creative shots, and also it's very budget friendly. So at the time of this video, this selfie stick tripod is $30 US, but I was able to get it on sale on Amazon for around $19, and this has really changed the way in which I think about getting shots on my videos. And as you can see, you could go pretty crazy with this on a low budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get something like this. So a lot of people think about getting drones, and you know what, there's definitely a place for that, but they're typically very expensive, and there's also restrictions on where you can use it and how you can use it. But with something like a selfie stick like this, yeah, easy, no problems. And I think it works really, really well. And I could easily change the angle of this just by simply, bringing the extension down or just bringing the stick closer to me like this. So that is a quick, cheap, easy way for you to get more interesting shots on your videos by simply getting a selfie stick tripod like I have here. So if you did want to support my channel and get this, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below. And if you did want to see more of my camera tutorials, tips and tricks, or more gear reviews, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.